White House release published Friday, August 1, 2025. Amendment to duties to address the flow of illicit drugs across our northern border. The White House has announced an amendment to existing duties to address the flow of illicit drugs across the northern border. This action aims to strengthen border security and protect American communities from illegal substances. Federal agencies are directed to increase coordination with Canadian authorities and enhance surveillance at key border crossings. Additional resources will support law enforcement and improve detection technology. The administration remains committed to working with local, state, and international partners to disrupt drug trafficking networks. President Trump has issued an amendment to previous executive orders in response to ongoing concerns about fentanyl and other drugs entering from Canada. The order raises the additional duty rate on certain Canadian products from 25% to 35%, effective August 1, 2025. The harmonized tariff schedule of the United States will be updated accordingly. Canadian goods that do not qualify under the United States-Mexico-Canada Agreement and are found by U.S. Customs and Border Protection to have been transshipped to evade duties will face a 40% duty rate. Additional fines and penalties may apply. Every 6 months, the Department of Homeland Security and other agencies will publish a list of countries and facilities involved in circumvention schemes. The Secretary of Homeland Security will monitor the northern border situation and consult with senior officials. Further recommendations may be made if Canada does not take adequate steps or retaliates against U.S. measures. The Secretary is authorized to take necessary actions to implement this order, including adopting rules and regulations. All executive departments and agencies must support implementation within their authority. If any part of this order is found invalid, the rest remains in effect. The order does not create enforceable rights or benefits for any party. The harmonized tariff schedule is updated effective August 1, 2025. The duty rate in heading the 10th of January 9903 increases from 25% to 35%, and a new heading, the 16th of January 9903, is added. Canadian products that do not qualify under the USMCA and are found to have been transshipped will face an additional 40% duty. This does not apply to certain product headings or personal use items in traveler's baggage. All affected Canadian products are also subject to general duty rates under Chapters 1 to 97 of the tariff schedule. The new duty applies to goods made in Canada or last substantially transformed there before entering the United States. Temporary duty exemptions do not remove the additional duty for these products. Certain products entered under Chapter 98 may be exempt from the new duty, except for those related to repairs, alterations, or assembly in Canada. In these cases, the additional duty applies only to the value added in Canada. Products covered by heading the 16th of January 9903 remain subject to other duties, taxes, and fees as required by law. Items that qualify for the de minimis exemption may continue unless the Secretary of Commerce notifies the President that systems are in place to collect tariffs on these items. The tariff schedule is updated to include heading the 16th of January 9903 and related changes. Thanks for listening. The full source material for this summary is in the description below.